Genitourinary system is that part of or that system of the body which collectively takes care of eliminating the waste products in the liquid form. So the kidney, the ureter, the urinary bladder, they form the urinary system, and in males, the prostate and the testicles and the penis form the genitals. So collectively, it is called the genitourinary system. In females, the genitals are formed by the vagina and the uterus and the ovaries, which are for the reproductive system. So collectively, the urinary system and the reproductive system are called genitourinary system. So the kidney is the organ of production of urine. Then the urine has to get transported to the urinary bladder. That happens to two tubes, one for each kidney, which is called ureter. So then the kidney that produces urine, the urine gets collected into the urinary bladder and is passed out through a tube which is called urethra in males and females. Now in males, there is additional organ which is called the prostate, which lies in the passage of urine, which is responsible for making semen. So when we know this system, including the testicles and the penis, where we have these normal living cells, and as we know, when we have living cells in one part of the body, they can become cancerous. So cancers of this system are called genitourinary cancers. So they are kidney cancer, urinary bladder cancer, prostate cancer, testicular cancer, penile cancer. These are in the males, and in the females, which are commonly called gynecological cancers, it can be ovaries, uterus, vagina, and also the cervix, which is the opening of the uterus into the vagina. Genitourinary cancers commonly are cancers of the elderly, which means fourth, fifth, or the sixth decade of life. So to understand, for example, prostate cancer is common in 50 years, 60 years, or 75 years of age. Same with urinary bladder cancer, which is again common in either 50 or 60 years of age. And kidney cancer is one of those that can be found even in a 35-year-old or a 40-year-old. But there are some kidney cancers which can occur even in children. So yes, genitourinary cancers can occur in all age groups. It is organ specific as well. So testicular cancers are in say 20-year-old or 30-year-olds, and prostate cancers are common in 50-year-olds or 60-year-olds. So all diseases, all age groups can have genitourinary cancers. Symptoms and signs of cancers. Now, one very important sign, especially in the genitourinary or the urological cancers, is to understand at any point of time in an elderly person, if blood appears in the urine, then one has to be careful that this can be a sign of cancer. Now, this generally can be painless. So, let me put it this way: painless bleeding in urine is a very important sign to detect cancer. So the person has to immediately contact the doctor and try to figure out or try to detect if there is any origin of cancer occurring in the genitourinary system. As we know that smoking is one of the commonest cause of multiple cancers in the body. So specifically towards the urinary bladder, the studies have shown that smoking causes urinary bladder cancer. So it can be prevented by stopping smoking or not smoking at all. Prostate cancer, there is no direct known cause. Even for kidney cancer, many studies have been tried towards correlating the cause of smoking or coffee intake as a cause of kidney cancer, but there are no real causes. So genitourinary cancer, it is not really where big role of prevention, but I should mention here that early detection of genitourinary cancer can be done by screening in the absence of absolute signs or symptoms of the disease.